Hell yeah. What's going on? Whoever in here so far, we're going to give it some time. Let everybody get in here. If you're here, we're here for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I want to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel. You got the Absolute Hitter. You got the Alpha, the Clipper. You got the Prodigy. And you also have the Uno. Y'all ready? For the people that's in here, let's go ahead and spin that thing. Yeah. Here we go. Spinning the wheel. Trying to see who's gonna win this giveaway. Win this giveaway. It's gonna be on iTunes here real soon. There we go. Slowing down. Slowing down. Where we going? Boy, that's slowing. It's slowing down slowly, ain't it? There we go. 5 cuts. 5 cuts. We'll have your I DM you here real quick. Let you know that you are the winner of this Gamma surprise giveaway for the 1,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate everybody for subscribing to the channel. We're gonna keep dropping videos, reviews, a little bit more tutorials coming. Yeah, man, appreciate you. Yo, real quick, right? Just a quick little video, right, of some miscellaneous things that I can, I guess, review and let y'all know that I have, right? So, as y'all know, before I get into this, I ain't even gonna do that. If y'all know, a lot of clippers have been having charge docks. This is the charge dock for the Andes Master, all right? Have y'all ever seen a charge dock for wall clippers? Huh? So this is, let me see if I can't turn it around, right? So this is a charge dock. If I can do it with one hand, this is a charge dock for your wall clippers. This is just a quick little review. The only reason I don't like this, I'm gonna put a video in and show you how it looked when you plug it up and show that it's charging. One thing I don't like about this is this weight of this clipper rocks that right there. And eventually, after a while, like when you just doing it real quick, like moving throughout the day, it falls off. It'll fall back, right? So I'll put the link down below. If you want to purchase one, I'll let you know where you can get this wall charging dock. Just know it's gonna take a long time for it to get to you because it's coming from over there. All right. Also, while we doing charging docks, JRL has a charging dock for their JRL 2020C. All right, very sturdy. The difference between this is because you can just drop it on there and it's gonna go right in there and it's gonna start the charge. It's not starting to charge now because I don't have it plugged up because I'm letting it die so I can really give a full review on how long. Like, so these take 3 hours to charge, 2.5, 3 hours to charge. So what I'm doing is I'm not plugging these up for a while until they completely die. And if you use JRL 2020C, sometimes they don't die. They just take a while, unless you're using them back to back, and I don't because I got magic clips, right? But I'm gonna try to see if that charging dock uses the same charging time as the regular plug, right? All right, so now we got that. So we got the charging docks. So this is a quick review of the Nello blend modification, the elite modification that I made, that I put on my 22 Stingers. A lot of people was asking, does it cut? If you've seen my video of the 22 Stinger, I like the 22 Stinger. I like the machine. I like the power that it gives. I actually like their blade that comes on that, right? But if y'all know by the channel, I like to buy stuff and I like to try stuff. So I did put in, since I am a T-Outliner fan, I said, why not? It just makes sense, right? So I put the Andes blade, the T-Outliner, on the 22 Stinger. You see that? 22 Stinger from Caliber, Andes blade modification, all right? This is the only thing, this little bracket right there, that little black piece right there, that's all you need to make that, to turn that, to put that Andes blade on there. That's all you need, all right? So for the people that's asking, yes, it still works pretty damn good. I like the 22 Stinger. I like the T-Outliner blade. Yes, it cuts pretty damn good with that blade. Maybe I'll record some videos of me using the blade and put it in here like that. Bang! You see that? That's a cut that I did with the 22 Stingers, with the T-Outliner blade. Looking clean. Looking clean. All right? So I'm going to leave the link down below for you to get a modification from Elite Clipper Modifications. They have a ton of them. They have some for your wall clippers, your ergos, all that stuff. They working on some stuff. All right. So this is one for your 22 Stingers. Boom. That's it. What else I got that I can review real quick? I don't have nothing else. Everything else is like full reviews and stuff like that. Should I do a quick review of the Tune 45 Mac? Nah, I'm gonna give y'all something full on that. I don't know how full, but we're gonna talk about that later. All right. And this Tune 45 compressor. All right, we'll talk about that. But that was just a quick review of a few miscellaneous things that I have on my station that really doesn't need a full 10-minute video by themselves. All right. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike them, there's a thumbs down button. Share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I know y'all be watching me my videos, right? So in one of my videos, I was watching, I was like, do I got something hanging out of my nose? That's just the gray hair. It just shows up bright. I'm getting old. These grays, if y'all know, grays are very stubborn and they don't like to do what you tell them to do. But with that being said, I want my gray. I just want it to look neat. I don't know if I really want it to look neat because I don't care half the time. I do care. Don't take the, yeah. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. I'm out.